Renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 show one difference from last year's Galaxy Z Flip 4, and now images of the phone's dummy unit have been leaked on Weibo by tipster Ice Universe. The dummy unit exhibits the same change as the renders, involving the relocation of the flash unit on the rear camera island from directly beneath the three cameras, to a location off the camera island to the right of the first camera. The new water drop notch on the model is supposed to allow the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to be fully closed without leaving an unseen gap between the two sides. While the latest version of the clamshell foldable also debuts a water drop notch that is supposed to allow the phone to close completely flat, this was not the case with the Flip 5 dummy. Perhaps that will change by the time the phone is released next month. While no other images of the dummy units revealed whether or not the Galaxy Z Fold 5 closed flat with a new hinge, a now deleted image leaked by Amit Quater revealed that there is no gap when the device is closed. The hinge is also expected to reduce the crease on the internal screen, though the crease may be reduced slightly by the new hinge. The Fold 5 dummy unit suggests that it will not be a significant improvement. We reported last month that the lack of any notable new design changes to the Galaxy Z Fold 5 did not sit well with Samsung employees. This prompted Ice Universe to quote one employee as saying it can't even be called the Galaxy Z Fold 4, a reference to how Apple used to design and name iPhone releases. Following all of the previous renders, benchmark tests, rumors, and leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be unveiled on July 26, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 5, the Galaxy Watch 6, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and the Galaxy Tab S9 tablet series. You can also get a pre-order bonus with your Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is now available for pre-ordering. Those who act now will receive $50 off any other pre-order deals announced by Samsung on July 26, when the Z Fold 5 is unveiled. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.